Alright, got the Jetless Devil Chunx XL lump charcoal. Big boys right there. Yeah, it's pretty windy out here, but you can tell, look at that, pretty good. Rubber cube is still going, but yeah, gonna put it in. Just like that. Yeah, I'll put in the Bronco. This one's gonna stay out. Alright, you ready? Just like that. Get the heater plate on, get the cooking grate on, and when we get to cooking. Yeah. Alright. I'm just gonna give it a quick clean. And what I got going on here, baby back ribs. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it. Okay, so what's the plan gonna be? As I'm gonna try to hold my head on my head because it's so damn windy right now. It's gonna blow off. But what I'm gonna do is hot and fast baby back ribs on the Bronco. So I'm gonna shoot for about 400 degrees. Let's see how long it takes. Let's see how fast it cooks. All right. So let's get to it. Forgot to mention, time is 5:01. I don't know if you can tell, but it's 5:01. So we'll see how long it takes. Our Bronco's sitting just above 400, so I want to keep it around there so we can see right there. That's it. Where say it's a 350. This is 403, so 403 is great level. So yeah, just give you a look into that if you're wondering what it would be like for great level and all that. So I have it right there at the 4 and wide open. So once it gets more above 400, then I'm gonna start dialing this back a bit to close it and keep it around 400, and we'll see how it goes with the baby backs. It's been 31 minutes, sitting at 405. So this is just close to 350. So remember that this temp gauge on the Bronco sits in the middle between the first cooking grate and the bottom cooking grate. So 405 is the first cooking grate, the top one, and that's sitting at 405. So I'll tell you what, this Jetless Devil are doing pretty well. I mean, they're holding temps on there, holding steady. I'm doing real well. I mean, it's just been like that, and I did adjust it in between the 4 and the 3. That's still wide open, so we'll check it once it hits an hour and see where it's at and what the baby backs look like, and I'll temp them. We'll see how they are, and we'll go from there. It's been an hour, jumped up to 410, close to 350 still. It's in between the 3 and the 4, wide open, but let's check them out. After an hour, hey, it looked good. Now let's temp it. I gotta get it, make sure I get it in between. Let me just going through here. No, wait, felt like I hit a bone right there. Yeah, look at that, over 200. Feel bone. Okay, so after an hour, getting close to 200. Yeah, I'm gonna go let it roll for just a little bit more, and then we'll do the bend test, and that'll really determine right there, right? So got some pullback. I bet you if I took off that heat diffuser plate and actually let all that heat hit it, we'll get some more pullback on the bone. But it's all good. Yeah, after an hour, what do you think? Looks good to me. All right, so close it up and go for a little bit, and then we'll do a bend test on it. We're at 401, and that is what, close to 350. Still between the 3 and the 4. All the way open. Well, I wanted to do the bend test, but I cannot find my tongs. So, as we saw the temp, whenever I did temp it, you know, it was well over 200. I don't want to keep it going because I don't want to, you know, overdo it. So, we're gonna just take it off. It's ready. I mean, like I said, when I tempted it, it was good to go. So, yeah, I'm ready to eat, and hey, this was awesome. This was awesome. So, I'm gonna take it off, let it rest for a bit, chop it up, and then I'm gonna take a bite. Yeah. Let me get one. Man, look at this. Hold on, let me give you a close up. Damn. Look at that. Man. Look at that. How about this? Bite through. Man. I know I just whipped right into it, but let me give you the details again. I used the Jealous Devil, lump charcoal, big chunks, and got the temp up to 400, 406, 408, 410, but around that range. And after an hour I checked, and I wanted to temp them so you can see what the media temperature's at. Majority of them went up to over 200. So at that point, if we're gonna go by that, you could have easily taken them off. But I wanted to do the bend test, but couldn't find my tongs, so I didn't let it ride for a little bit more than what I should have. But realistically, an hour cook, honestly. But no sauce, no Texas pepper jelly. I just wanted it to taste what the meat was after this hot fast cook, and it is delicious. I didn't leave the membrane on just to make sure that, you know, my thinking was how hot it's going to be. It'll help protect the meat, but man, the membrane's crispy. It's good, man. I'm just tearing it up. Just tearing it up. They came out beautiful. Seasoning with the Hardcore Carnivores Red. Look at that. Just bite into it, man. No fall off. Bite through. To me, those are the best ribs. Alright. I think you've seen enough of me eating, right? So, get your Bronco out. Get up to temp, 400 degrees. It's gonna stay at that temp. It's gonna stay at that temp. No issues with this Bronco holding temps high or low. The Jealous Devil Lump charcoal, it was awesome in this Bronco. Holding temps, no issues at all, high. So, if you have the Jealous Devil, get that lump charcoal. So, well, as always, you know, thank you for the support. Thank you for all these years. It's been fun doing this. And as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh, man. That was good. Go out and cook.